Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ina Bariawati Dali. I'm from class Kimia Unit B. I will presentation about zeolite synthesis from rice as or RHA. Okay. The title of this experiment is zeolite synthesis from rice husk as. Objective synthesis zeolite from RHA. Okay, sample checking. The rice husk as used was taken from North Toto, Tulang Kabila, Bone Bolango, Regency. Procedure. The first step, weighing RHA as much as 15 gram for 3 comparison. Next, weigh KOH as much as 10 gram, 8.75 gram and 70.5 gram. Okay, next, add 10 ml of water each. Next, week AL2 SO4 3 kali as much as 3.75 gram for 3 comparison. Okay, next, mix KOH solution with AL2 SO4 3 kali and RHA for each comparison. Next, heat up with water bath. Will stir until the solution is thick. Next, transfer the solution into THR watch glass and dry it in the oven. Next, observe the change that occurred. Okay. Next, treatment. The first step, weigh rice husk as in 3 comparison. Observation is as much as 7.5 grams. Next, reading KOH potassium hydroxy in a 3 comparison. Observation as much as 5 gram, 4.375 gram and 3.75 grams. Next, weighing AL2 SO4 3 kali or aluminium sulfate in a 3 comparisons. Observation each as 1.875 gram. Okay, next, making KOH potassium hydroxide solution by adding 10 ml of water each. Observation water soluble. Next, making AL2 SO4 3 kali or aluminium sulfate solution by adding 10 ml of water each. Observation water soluble. Okay, next, mixing RHA with KOH solution and AL2 SO4 3 kali solution. Observation each comparison insoluble in water or heterogeneous and has a sediment. Next treatment, heating solution mixture using a hot plate. Observation solution thickened with strong skin. treatment, drying each sample in the oven. Okay, observation, synthetic zeolite is formed in the black color and not sticky. Okay, next discussion. In this synthesis of zeolite, you see RHA as from furnace burning in the village of North Toto, Tilongkabila. The use of RHA as in this zeolite synthesis because the sample contains silica ion, which are the content of zeolite. Okay, this is next sample in North Toto, Finland. The first thing to do is weigh the mass of RHA as much as 7.5 gram for 3 comparisons. So the total use of RHA is 22.5 gram. This is picture RHA as much as 7.5 gram for 3 comparisons. Okay, next weighing KOH as much as 5 gram for 375 gram and 3.75 gram, so that the total weight of KOH used is 30.125 gram. This is picture KOH as much as 5 gram for 375 gram and 3.75 gram. After getting a sample with the appropriate weight, it is continued by making KOH solution by adding aqueous as much as 10 ml in each comparison. Okay, next week Al2 is over 3 kali as much as 1.875 for 3 comparison, so the number of sample used is 5.625 gram. This picture. After getting the sample, continued by making a solution by adding aqueous as much as 10 ml in each comparison. Next, blend the RHA as KOH solution and Al2SO4 3 kali solution in each comparison so as to get a pitch black solution. The reaction resulting from mixing KOH with RHA are as follows. This is reaction SiO2 plus 2 KOH, reaction K2SiO3 plus H2O. Okay, next the reaction resulting from the mixing of KOH with RHA as complete with Al2SO4 3 kali is follows. Okay, after all the ingredients have been mixed and product a black solution, then the solution will be heated using a hot plate. This is picture process of heating the solution. Okay, next, heating using a hot plate is intended to make a thick solution. Before heating using an oven, this heating is done to evaporate the heat in order to get the result of a thick solution. After getting a thick solution, transfer the solution into the watch glass whose surface was been welded with filter paper. After that heat the solution, heating in the oven is done for 30 minutes until the zeolite dries. This is picture solution ready to be heated. Okay, next, drying in the oven is done releasing water trapped in the zeolite. The result is that the zeolite turns solid and pitch black in color. This is picture solid resulting from the drying process in the oven. Okay, next, conclusion. From the experiment carried out, it can be concluded the zeolite can be synthesized from rice husk because it has a lot of silica content. This rice husk, as consists in the literature, is 92 until 95% silica, which has a pore is like tin, has a broad external superficie, so it is very useful as an absorbent and insulator. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.